You're welcome to Excellent Simplified Tutorials. Today we are going to be looking at an important subject, gene mutation. Please subscribe to our channel so as to be notified when a video is being uploaded. To understand gene mutation properly, we need a prior knowledge of DNA sequence. So let's do a little review on that. DNA sequence is the order of arrangement of the nucleotides within a DNA molecule. The order of the nucleotide bases within a DNA molecule is very important. The nucleotide bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. The order is very important. And so if the order is altered, a genetic mutation takes place. This is how the order of the nucleotide bases look like. You can see T to G to A to C to A to G. If this sequence is altered, a genetic mutation takes place, and that will change the function, the functional property of that gene. Gene mutations are changes to your DNA sequence that happen during cell division when your cells make copies of themselves. The image on your left is your normal DNA molecule. That is how your DNA structure looks like. And the image on your right is a mutated DNA structure. As you can see that the structure has been altered, and therefore the function is also altered. This alteration or aberration of structure can happen in different forms. It can be a deletion in which a portion of the DNA is deleted. It can be an insertion in which a portion that was not there is inserted. It can be duplication in which a portion of the DNA is duplicated. It can be inversion in which a portion of the DNA is turned upside down. These changes in your DNA sequence, called gene mutations, occurs during cell division. When your cells divide, they handwrite your body's instruction manual by copying the original word for word. There is a lot of room for error during cell division because your cells might substitute, delete, or insert letters while they are copying. And this error that occurs during cell division will lead to the production of a wrong DNA sequence. This wrong DNA sequence will code for a different gene, different from the original, and this will lead to an expression of a different trait as a result of the mutated gene. Depending on when and where a gene mutation occurs, there are two types of gene mutation. And the two types of gene mutation are germline mutation and somatic mutation. The germline mutation is a change in the gene that occurs in a parent's reproductive cells, that is the egg or sperm cells, that affects the genetic makeup of that child. So in germline mutation, it's occurring in the reproductive cells of the parents, and this mutation in the reproductive cells of the parents is transferred to the offspring, and the offspring will express a mutated trait as a result of the gene mutation. In somatic mutation, the somatic mutation occurs in the somatic cells, different from the sex cells, and is a gene mutation that occurs after conception in the developing embryo that may become a baby. Somatic mutations can't be passed from parents to offspring because traits are passed only from the sperm and egg cells. As can be seen on the images on the screen, you can see that germline mutations affect the entire organism. The entire organism carries the mutation, while in somatic mutation it affects only a specific area of the organism, and the somatic mutation cannot be passed on to offsprings. Now the big question is, what can actually cause these gene mutations? In our next video, we are going to be treating causes of gene mutations and substances that can cause gene mutation. Subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.